Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with some new digitals in my shop. Oh my gosh, I have so many little digitals that are in every form of undoneness. But I got these two done and I'm so excited because I've done some estate sale shopping and I found some awesome embroidered doilies. So this is kit 5 and kit 6, doily kit 5, doily kit 6 in my shop, Cinnamon Tea. I'll put the link below and you can also get there from my website as well. But let me show you number 5 and I'll kind of get it up here to the camera. So that's the first one. Then a couple little parts and pieces there. And then this one I love. I think this one is so much fun, and you know, you could use a little butterfly by itself, and yeah. So, and what I love about this one too is the wrinkles in the, yeah, just fun, just fun. Then there's this happy one. I guess we'll go this way so you can see a little better. And then this one. Isn't that kind of fun with the bird? I love it. I think what we're going to do is have a play with some of these right after I show you. So then this one, sorry, can't grab it. I'm standing up here. This is kit 6, doily kit 6. And love this big, beautiful poppy. Oh my gosh. So excited about that one. Another couple parts and pieces. This one is a piece that was on a dish towel, and so I had to fold it up to get it in and stuff, and I kind of like this dark that it left. I'm excited to use that in collage, so there'll be some good extra bits in that one. This one, love this. So cool. I just love these embroidered pieces. This is then another one of the big happy ones. And then this one, which is real pale, but so pretty. I think it's really going to be fun. I think this flower here would be fun fussy cut as a focal point on a journaling card too. So there you have it, 5 and 6, and I'm going to do a really quick project that is just burning a hole in my soul, you know. So I'm going to take Daphne's diary page here, and it's going to be our base, and I want to make a birthday card is what I'm thinking I want to do with this one. So so let's see. Good. We have to cut it down some, which is, oh, wait, we're going to go this way and we need to cut it down some, I think. Yeah, just a bit, just a bit. So, let's see. Maybe I'm going to cut this to size first. There's, of course, just a tiny little edge there from my printer, but so I'm going to cut that off, and then we'll see how much of the card we need to get rid of here. Let's see. I don't know. I might have to check here and see if I need to move out so you can see this a little bit better, but okay, I think I can scooch it just slightly. Okay. There we go. We'll get rid of that rough edge too, and that will be good. Okay. Yeah, I thought it would be really fun to kind of have this on a birthday card, and I'm going to end up cutting off a little bit of my bird. Okay, I need to think about this. You know what I think I'm going to do so it will fit is I think I'm going to tear it. I'm just going to tear it, and then I'll tear the happy birthday, and it can go wherever it needs to be. we'll just do it that way. Because I would like as much of this bird as possible. And look, he's going to fit just fine. Actually, the background of the Daphne's Diary is kind of cool, isn't it? I don't know. It looks a little Christmassy, I think. So I think I'll pass on keeping that. I could have, because I'm not going to sell this. I'm going to give it to a friend for birthday. So, but yeah, I was excited. I was able to sneak out a little bit of time while my grandson was here and do a little bit of scanning and watermarking and stuff. And then I thought this morning I'm just going to hurry up, get the digitals listed in my Etsy and do the video. So yeah, it's kind of fun. I hope everybody's doing well. The weather is being beautiful and summery for you. It's finally gotten there here. We've had such cool weather, which hasn't been a bad thing by any means, but I'm really happy that it's summer, because today's the first day that I'm wearing shorts. It's been too cold. It's been just too cold. Sorry, this has taken me a bit to just tear around, but I don't want a whole bunch of white. I just want my birdie. Okay. Oh, he's quite wonderful. And then I'm also going to tear around my happy birthday. Okay. And we can, of course, use these pieces too. Okay, so we need a little background. So I think I'm going to grab a piece of music paper, because that is always good. Some of these words are not really uplifting for a birthday card. Not that you're going to be focusing on the words of the music, but just in case. And I think I think what I'm going to do on the inside is just do a variety of coffee dyed papers, so I can write my own little note and that kind of thing. So at least I wanted to do the outside with you guys, because I wanted to show you how fun these digitals can be. Okay, so I'm going to put that there and collage around it. Let's grab the glue book, grab the glue, and get going. Yeah, we put our grandson on the airplane yesterday, so he's gone. So we've got about 3 days before we leave for our 4th of July little trip. And so I thought, yeah, I'm gonna try and get a few things done in these couple of days. Okay, I feel like I would like, I don't know, maybe this. I don't know. I'm not quite sure where this came from, but I'm wondering about it. I'm looking in my scraps back here for little strips that might be interesting. Ooh, this might be interesting. What if we used a little bit of this? Let's see. Maybe right along there somewhere. could be kind of fun. I don't know, maybe the blue of the background is influencing me. I'm not sure. the pine cones on this page. I don't know. But I think this is going to be fun. Just a quick little birthday card that's handmade. That's always fun. And, you know, I'm not going to put it in an envelope because it's kind of giant, but it's kind of fun. What I often do with the birthday cards and things is I often don't write in them. I put a sticky note that says what I want to say. So, because my friends that I give birthday cards to, they do this sort of thing too. And I figure that way they can then use it in one of their projects if they want to. So we've often done tags for each other, but I think this will be kind of a fun, different thing to do. Okay. Hopefully. Got that mostly covered up. Okay, and so then I'm going to put my birdie, and I'm going to put my happy birthday. But I do think I may have to do a little inking around these guys, because I know I'll ink around the edge too. Oh gosh, our one granddaughter, the granddaughter that you know, Addie, she is at the National Volleyball Championships for her age and level and all of that. And her mom's there with her, of course, but my other daughter is there too. And my other daughter has been on filming, and she has been just sending us all sorts of texts with little short clips of Addie serving, and you know, and how that point turns out, and then she'll send us the next point. And so just short little clips, but it's just been awesome because, you know, we didn't get there because we had our grandson was the biggest reason, but which is her son, the one that's sending the videos. So, but it's just been great because we've been able to see how Addie's doing, which she's doing great. I was telling one of my friends that she's just one of those kids that excels at pretty much everything she does, but she also works hard too. I mean, she works harder than most kids would be willing to work too. Like she works really hard. So it's not like she just steps on to the volleyball court and it just all happens for her. It's not that at all. It's just, she works for what she wants, and she practices, you know, a lot. She takes advantage. She's lucky that her parents can do camps and things for her. And of course, she and her sister are coming, let's see, the week after the 4th. They're coming here for a camp at the college here. It's the college that her mom played volleyball for, so that's kind of fun. Okay, you guys, I think I'm going to get a new sheet. To Sir with Love. How fun is that? That's a cool, I think I'm just going to keep that. That was a cool illustration. Yeah, so anyway, they're doing pretty good. They've won some games. They played number 4 in the nation. They didn't win that one. But my daughter said that if they win their games today, they will be the comeback champions. So, well, I'm keeping my fingers crossed for them. That would be pretty cool, a little team from Montana. Oh, this is fun. I'm so excited to have some new doilies to play with. haven't played with my old doilies for a while. I need to get those out too. Okay, I am going to put that right about there, I think. You know what I think I'd like to do too is maybe put a little of this on the corner there. That might be fun. Oh my gosh, my husband, I don't know if it's my husband's phone or my iPad, but it's just ping, ping, ping. And so I'm going to finish this video and go watch some volleyball. But, ooh, that's pretty. I think I might like that there. I'm thinking I might put one of these little flowers, just tear around it. Put it right about there, just because I'm having way too much fun playing. Now my other thought beyond having that on the corner would be to have this piece on the whole bottom. That might be kind of cool. Let's see if it would even fit. Was funny, the estate sale where I got this, because it says, you can see part of it, to Margaret on this side. The lady who was running the sale, her name is Margaret, and I thought, I wonder why she didn't take that. But yeah, there wasn't, was funny. That was a funny estate sale. I did end up getting some stuff. Oh yeah, I like that. What if we, yeah, here we go. I ended up getting some stuff that I'm going to put on my Etsy. I got these old, whenever I get something listed, that is, physical item. I have to be home to mail it, is the thing. Anyway, it's, they're little flashcards like the definition flashcards that we all use on our journals, you know, but they are postal flashcards, I guess, from back in the day when the postman had to memorize the addresses or something. And yeah, and so the guy who was the person that lived at the house where the estate sale was, he was a postman back in the day. And yeah, so anyway, I thought that was kind of cool. Well, there we go, my friends. I am just going to do that piece on this video and get it uploaded so that if you want to run by and get the kits, you can. So I'm going to do the inside as plain, and then I'll collage the outside as well. But I just wanted to show you, I was dying to play with this one. And another one I'm kind of dying to play with is this one. So, so I'll probably have myself a play, and I'll sure show you in a video what I do end up doing. But I'm excited to have that as a birthday card for one of my pals. So anyway, thanks so much for your support of my Etsy and of the YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys more than I can say. So I'll have the links below, and just thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.